Hey babes, so I know you guys are like, girl, didn't you already film a video with that whole look? Yes, I did. Today I have extra time, so I decided to film a favorites video. It's not gonna be too long. It's just a few things that I'm really living for lately. And so I'm just gonna roll right into it. So I wanted to start with the NYX Cosmetics Pro Liners. So these are what they look like. Let me show you them real quick. So these are just a few shades that I have, but honestly, if you want a eyeliner that glides on and stays on, these are it. They are very pigmented, they are super creamy, so when you go in you don't feel like it's poking your eye out. And I live for these. I love them. I need to get more shades because I only have these, and I'm like, girl, sometimes I'm like, I need a yellow, I need a purple or something, and I only have these four, but I should be getting a few more soon because let me tell you, if you guys heard my daughter screaming, I apologize. She's playing with her dad, so she be doing, I don't know what over there. The next thing is the Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. So let me show you guys that with the box. So that is what it looks like. If you guys are like, why do you have the box still? Although let me tell you, I love this and I love it so much that I'm literally out of it. So I bought another one. If you need something that instantly like lifts your under eyes, this is it. I feel like if you ever wake up like looking dead or feeling dead and you just throw this on, it totally makes a difference and leaves you like popping, glowing. I put a good amount. So, and if you guys don't know me, I love looking a little blah, 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 blah. And if you guys know me, you know I love to look a little dewy, glowy. I put on a good amount and I feel like this brightens up my eyes while leaving it with the glow. So I love this. If you don't know where to get it, I get mine at Sephora, so I would recommend getting it there. The next thing, like I said, today's the first day that I had to use this, but I'm already in love. It is the Patrick Ta Body Glow, or Body Oil, I mean, and this one is in A Vision. If you guys saw the video of my first impression with the Bebella and Yenny Vera collab, I was talking about this. I love it. Today is the first day, but I can tell you guys that I love this. I don't think I mentioned this in that video. I had actually tried one of these, but from a different brand that I'm not even gonna mention, and it was really bad. Like, it stuck all over my clothes, it was all over my hands, it would not come off. And not like, oh, isn't that a good thing, it should not come off. No, it was like I tried rubbing it on with my hand a little bit. This one I rubbed it and I washed my hands and it was fine to remove. Hasn't came off, hasn't rubbed on my clothes. But with that other one, it was like really thick and it was like super shiny, like gold, like golden shiny. It was too much. I walked outside and I was like, oh my God, what did I do this to myself? I tried taking wipe, rubbing it off, it would not come off. It was just too much. So now that I tried this one, I took a wipe and I tried rubbing it off, and it didn't come off at first, but once you really rub, yes, it'll come off. The other one was not happening. Like, this one I like because I know it's not going to transfer easily, but it's amazing. Like I said, if you guys have not tried it, you need to try it out. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is the Kiehls Hydro Pluming Retexturizing Serum. And this other one that is the Cannabis, Sativa, Seed Oil, and Herbal Concentrate. These are both serums. So I got these at the Kiehls store in the Rancho Cucamonga, Victoria Gardens Mall. But these are two serums. This one I believe is for all skin types. However, this one is for dry and sensitive skin, which I have. And I really like that they had several serums that were for different skin types. So I told the girl, I was like, you know, I have dry skin and it's very sensitive, so I can't be using certain products because sometimes when I do, they'll make my face a little red, especially around my nose area, because that is where I'm most sensitive. And when I use this, it didn't do that. And she was also like, if you don't like it, you can always bring it back and we can bring you another one. But what I liked the most was that they had, I think, like 7, and they were all for different skin types. So I mean, if you don't have dry sensitive skin, don't get this one. Go into the store and ask them what serum you can get for your skin type. And with that being said, and don't always buy things that you hear people say on Instagram or on YouTube that are bomb. That when it comes to skincare, if you have different skin type than them, because what may be working for them may not work for you. So don't go and buy this and be like, Erika said it's amazing, if you don't have the same skin type I do. But moving on to the next item, this is the Dose of Colors Fuego highlight. Yes, this is like long overdue for me to be talking about it. But it's obviously with the Desi and Katie collab. So I've used and abused this one. Maybe you guys can't really tell, but this is my favorite highlight at the moment, and I just thought I had to bring it up, especially because I love this packaging. Kind of sad that I didn't get the palette. I mean, not for the shades, but for the packaging, because I'm someone who loves and adores packaging, and I appreciate that this is like just all out. They really did not hold back on this, and I love that. Next thing is obviously, oh my god, because this is my first favorites video, I have to talk about my Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Because I have dry skin, this one has a dewy finish, and for me that is perfect because I am someone who loves a dewy finish. So I actually use 2 shades. Let me show you guys that. Because this specific shade is M1 and it is too light for me, and I actually like making myself look a little tanner, especially because my face is super light compared to my body. So I mix it in with M3, which is too dark for me, but I feel like it gives me the perfect shade, especially like I said, because my body is darker than my face, and the dewy finish is everything to me. So that is my favorite foundation. The next items I've been loving are the Mega Concealers from Moira Cosmetics. So the reason I love these, it's because they have a full coverage and they're really inexpensive. They are $10. If you guys have been following me for a while now, you know that I always use these and I'm always talking about them. They are a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tip. However, a lot of people have said that they dry out quick if you don't work with it quickly. I don't have that issue because I'm the type of person who, once I put it on, I go in on it real quick. I use these on my clients and I love them. I feel like the fact that it's a full coverage concealer and it's a really inexpensive is perfect for me as a makeup artist, because I can buy, I don't even need to buy the whole collection, but I just need a few shades and I won't be spending a lot of money. So if you are a makeup artist and you need a concealer that is full coverage and it's like really good, it doesn't, fall apart. It doesn't break apart on, your face or your client's face. This is the one. The next item, this isn't even new, but I love this. This is Huda Beauty. Not that any of these items are new, but you guys see what I'm trying to say. I've never done a favorites video, so to me, I need to mention everything that I love. But it's not too long, I promise. The Huda Beauty Winter Highlighter Palette. So I don't actually use this on my face. Let me show it to you guys. Like on my cheeks or anything. What I use it on is usually on the inner corners or on my eyes, because for my face, I feel like this is too much. But when it comes to the inner corners, I love that. Whenever I do like a pink look or a purple look, or something, I use this when I do like blues and purples and stuff. I think it's perfect. Today I actually have this one, which is Northern Lights, on my inner corner, and I'm living for it. But the next item is the Bebella Pro Obsession palette. So I've actually been using this a lot lately, especially when I am like on the go and I don't have time to create a look, like a new look, and I just need something that I already know and it's colors that I love. It's actually this palette that I've been using. So what I like is that it has 30 shades, meaning I can always pick something different, but it has all the perfect colors for me. Does that make sense? So I love warm colors. I love browns. My boyfriend's outside, I'm sorry guys. I love the colors in this entire palette, so this has been my go-to palette lately. And of course, I could not leave out my favorite, which is the Makeup Shack Silhouette Contour Palette. If you're a makeup artist, this is another palette I definitely recommend for you. I actually have this in my kit, not this one, but I have another one for my clients because it has so many shades that I don't need to carry a bunch of bronzers, for different skin types, and this one is perfect for me. So I would recommend you guys get your hands on this. Discount code Erika for 20% off. And the last item, which I never thought I would like, is blush. This is the ColourPop Cosmetics Count Me In Super Shock Cheek in the shade, Count Me In. So this is what she looks like. And I've been using this every single day that I do a look. I was gonna say every single day, but every time I do a look. I've never been the type of person to like blush, because I feel like I've never found a shade that's perfect to me. It's always either too dark or too light or just too pink, and I'm like, ugh. And when they sent me this, I was like, oh, this is cute. Maybe I'll try it out. And I tried it out and I was like, oh, this is perfect. It's not even cute anymore. It's not dark, but you can build it up. I'm actually wearing it right now, and today I actually went in a little more than I usually do, but I love it. I feel like this is the perfect like shade of pink for blush. It's not too dark and not too light. It's right in the middle. So I love this. I definitely recommend, if you're not the type of person to like blush, that you try this one out, because it changed my life. I was the type of person who used to say, I hate blush, I'm never gonna wear blush. I lied, because clearly this one changed my life. With that being said, these are all my favorite products right now. I didn't want to make a super long video and bring lashes and setting sprays and all this other stuff, because if we're gonna be realistic, I love lashes. If you give me a 3D mink lash, I am my boyfriend. He's really driving around. If you know me, I like a 3D mink full lash, and to me, most lashes I love. So if I was gonna bring them out, I'd be bringing my whole drawer out, and that's not the deal. So that basically sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to be doing like a monthly favorites and a monthly favorites video, and keep it up so that I can introduce you guys to like new products that I like, or if there's just something that I just happen to find that's not even new and I really live for, that way I can show it to you guys. With that being said, if you guys have not followed me on Instagram, please do so. My Instagram is muaerika18. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. If there's any products that you guys love and you guys want me to try out, let me know and I'll be looking at those. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.